welcome back to my channel. Got another wig review for you all today, and today's wig is the Outre Sleek Slay lace front wig part, and I have Noalani in the color 2. I do not know where I purchased her from, but when I do find out, I promise it's gonna be in the description part of this video. So I went on ahead and cut my lace here, and what you see comes with 2 combs, a little curved part here, pre-plucked. This whole wig's pre-plucked, and we got a comb at the bottom, and of course some adjustable strips. Now, yeah, I'm not gonna glue this wig today, like at all. But what I do plan on doing is trying to put her like in a swoop and a ponytail. So I just want to see how they go.
Still I can't find you. Wave of emotion, I can't seem to get to you. But you are, you're just like an ocean. I wanna dive deep in your mind. There's no need for searching.
Anyway, y'all, this is what I was going for. But let me see, because I still got to do makeup, unfortunately. It's bad. It's pretty. And then look at the braid in the back. If y'all can see. This is a little braid in the back. Okay. Pros. The fact that it's pre-plucked. It's pretty, it's straight, and it is big head friendly. Big head friendly. It is big head friendly. Cons. If you're trying to put it in a ponytail, and this is only con, really. If you're trying to put it in a ponytail, or really trying to put it like just leave it in a straight hairstyle, my suggestion would be to, well, y'all know how to style y'all wigs, so I mean, I trust your judgment. Trust me. Just make sure that you like comb all the edges back first. And probably use a wax stick or like some, just something to like hold the edges back so that you can style it better, you know, with your edges and with your baby hairs and stuff. That's the only thing I like suggest. So, but other than that, I like the wig. I love it, actually. I gotta keep practicing with straight hair wigs for sure. Straight hair can definitely get in my way. So that'd be like, you know, the only con I got for straight wigs, and then trying to like keep it detangled too. So, all right, you guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. And you guys have an awesome day. Bye.